trick right now. Try to open it. Try to get it out. There's not a magic ring. Okay? Give me the magic ring. I do it. No, I do it. Thanks. No good.
I can't see so good. You're in the way. Wow.
Yeah, I have to do it 2 times. And let me pull it out this time. Yeah. Try to pull it out.
I can't see.
Try to pull it out. Okay. No, I pull it out.
Very nice. Okay, next magic trick.
Okay. Yeah. Oh! This one is the magic trick. The ball magic trick. This thing you have to see. You see it?
Yep.
No.
No, I don't see it. Where are they going?
Do you see it?
Wow. That's,
See it?
Nope.
Do you see it?
Nope.
Ta-da!
Very nice.
Now I do. No! That trick. The book magic trick. Open it. Show them that it's only red now. Pull. It's only red. Watch what's gonna happen. Pull. Ta-da!
All right. Very nice.
Same thing with the other pages. This is only a blue hammer. Pull it out, it turns all different colors.
Very nice. Thank you. Next.
Wait. This is a...
Next trick.
Pappy, just leave it.
Next trick.
This is a wrench, and if you pull it, it turns the right color how it was.
Very nice. Okay, next trick. Back to the box, please. Back to the box.
No, there's more.
No, I don't want any more of that. Next.
Okay. This one. Mom, you have to do which color you want. And you need a box, Goose.
Okay. I have to pick the color.
Which one?
Well, I'm not going to tell you. You have to tell me. Get the top of the box. Assistant.
And tell
Okay.
me what it's on. No.
Okay, that's the color. Put the top of the box on. Don't. Okay. Now tell me what color did I pick.
Yellow?
Yes. Yes, I did. How did you know?
Because
It was a good guess. That was very good. Okay, next trick. All right, last trick.
Abracadabra, make this string turn white in this special do. Abracadabra, white.
Wow, very nice. Take a bow. Thank you very much.